Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Sithole ngeli VW Polo leyalanza uOlorato Mungane ngalesikhathi aya ku date with the man la hlangana naye kuphi emall ba exchange ama number. So a few hours later, 2 hours later, watholakala sekabulewe Olorato ngemva kokuthi aphume phela ku date with this guy. Wabonakala angena lapha e-complex lahlala khona Olorato nga-reverse, so i-number plate bebonakala but buso bungabonakali. Statement city police have traced the VW Polo used in Olorato Mungane's murder. The vehicle was found with traces of blood inside a panel beater workshop lilapha kuphi ePhoenix eDurban. I-owner yale vehicle iboshiwe kuthiwa ngibabe njena losekakhulile kufunwa fezile ngubani Bongani Mthimkhulu phela ngenkosi sibonge kuhle awakamakhanya kuthiwa labantu labayithathu laba bayabanzakanyeka ekubulaweni kwakhe uOlorato Mungane. Now ama pictures abo bathelo babona konje ngafonela amaphoyisa ningalingi anisonzele edvude nabo ngoba bathi labantu bayengoti kabi guys kubhlungu ngendlela lesimanga. Let's hope ukuthi bato bathola labantu labende lomgila mkhuba lo ngaso ufezelela nje vele balabaningi basho ukuthi cha lo yatibonakalela nje umbuka ukuthi lona nje usigebengu. So it really shocks people ukuthi what really happened here. Bekaye ku date with that guy, ufika wathola imoto igqwele ngebafana bahambe bomdropha off somewhere la bafike bamenda whatever lebe bayifuna khona because the target her belongings was there. Bathole konke amafoni ikhwama target ikhona, meaning abazange bamthathele anything. So this is really sad. Live lesihlala kulo guys, it's really I don't know, scary because in South Africa guys say crime scene aside ukuthi sesiphephe like everywhere saphephanga. And to those people who are actually saying good, oh Olorato angahamba njani nemuntu ngamadi, guys, she was going on a date. Vele sonke mase ku date siya ku date with people that we don't know, and kuze umuntu aqana myeni wakhe aqana boyfriend yakho uqala ngokungamadi. It's just ukuthi labanye abantu baba nebhadi nkosi yami, baba nebhadi nje yavele iphume ngawo. But lento yokuthi abantu bathi oh no wahambe ngemuntu ngamadi because ahambe nebhuti wakhe in good date or because ahambe namakhelwane, it really doesn't make sense guys. Ma exchange my number emall like how everyone do. Uhlangana nemuntu ngamadi exchange ama number, then you meet, then you guys start dating. You can't say uthi oh angihamba nemuntu ngamadi ufuna hambe nabhuti wakhe ku dates. I really don't understand. You guys are so insensitive leni bhala nje into ukuthi oh maybe the guy was Nigerian, or maybe like tongeleni likhuluma ngo off and nje nemndeni wakhe Olorato yasho ukuthi you guys are so insensitive yekela nikhuluma and blame at the victim and not the perpetrator. Why bantu abayoqhubeka nezinto leti so ukuthi you guys are actually defending them? None nyalo innocent blame Olorato for not being careful for kuhamba nemuntu ngamadi because ahambe nabani nabhuti wakhe or namzala wakhe u date or nababa wakhe. It really doesn't make sense guys, it really doesn't make sense. And nalokuthi nithi oh they met online ku online dating, nope, they met at the mall. Muntu le wambona ba exchange ini ma numbers, not thinking ukuthi this person umplanela lokubi. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you in the next one. I'm signing out. So goodbye.